If your PlayStation 5 is stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding down the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Boot in safe mode. To access safe mode, turn off the console, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and press the PS button. This mode allows you to perform various troubleshooting actions. Step 3. Update system software. In safe mode, select the option to update system software. This can be done via USB or internet. Make sure your console is running the latest software, as updates can fix bugs and loading issues. Step 4. Rebuild database. While still in safe mode, select the option to rebuild the database. This process can help fix corrupted data that may be causing the loading screen issue. It may take some time, but it can resolve many problems. Step 5. Factory reset. If the previous steps do not work, consider performing a factory reset. This will erase all data on the console, so ensure you back up your important files first. In safe mode, select the option to reset the console to its original settings. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance.